Hello guys, and welcome for a new video. And we have here new update for Aimogen, and starting from now you will be able to use tools in the AI real-time chat. So the AI real-time chat will be able to give you access to tools, and let me show you how this will work. You will be able to create a custom shortcode in the custom real-time chat builder and use it on a post. For example, on this post, let's create a shortcode and let me demonstrate the chatbot extensions feature in the real-time chat. So for example, let me enable a new function, the AI charts extension. So this is a new function that got implemented recently in Aimogen. This is a new extension, so let's select this extension. You can also hold down the Control key and select multiple extensions which you want to enable in the real-time chat shortcode. So let's enable the charts extension, and for example another extension, the database query extension. So these are two new extensions which were added to Aimogen, and they can be used also in the real-time chatbot. So when we enable these two, the shortcode from the top here will be automatically updated. You will see the enable God mode, the God mode enable chart, and God mode enable database will be added exactly like we selected here. And let's copy this shortcode and paste it here in our post and save it. So this will add our real-time chat shortcode directly in this post, and we will be able to use it here. So for example, if we want to also show chat text logs, this is also a nice feature. So let me set this also to show. Copy the shortcode and paste it, and now we can save it. And now if we refresh, we will see this part of the shortcode where we will see logs of our previous chat. So now we can start recording and we can ask our AI chatbot details. So let's start. How many posts do I have published on this site?
You've got one post published on this site. Keep the content coming.
Okay, so you've got one post published. Let's see how many posts we have here. This is the post and this is scheduled. It is not published here. So we have this post only published. Okay, now let us, for example, say how many products do I have on this site? How many products do I have on this site?
Let's find out how many products you have on your site. I'll just need a moment to check the database.
Okay, and how many posts do I have on this site?
Let's check how many posts you have on your site. Give me just a moment. You've got one
Okay, give me a chart of this data.
Sure thing. I'll create a chart showing the number of products and posts.
So
Please.
You can see that we've got a chart with products, posts. Note that if you stop recording and you start recording again, the data which is showed here will not be able to be used. Okay, so now let me show you how you can enable the logs also for your voice input, because this is also possible. So in the real-time chat, let's go and enable transcribe, also user voice, and click show. Copy the shortcode that we got here, overwrite our shortcode from here, and we will see that we can use give me 5 random numbers.
Sure thing. Here are 5 random numbers: 7, 23, 58,
Okay, now give me a chart based on these numbers.
Here's a bar chart showing the random numbers you got.
So you can see that the random numbers are 7, 23, 58, 42, 7, 23, 58, 42, and they can also be charted. So you can, I just wanted to show you that you can use any type of data with this chart extension, and you can directly talk with the AI. And keep in mind, this is just the tip of the iceberg, as there are tons of other extensions like social media posting, like database query, webhook calling, email sending, and you can simply call each of these extensions with your voice. So it will be able to create also images and generate reasoning even with the help of these tools and extensions. So let's also generate an image, and let's set up a shortcode to create images, and let's copy this new shortcode and update it in our post, and we will be able to refresh here. And let's start recording. Show me an image of a cat playing in a park, and it is a very sunny day. The cat is playing happily in the park.
Here's the image of a cat playing happily in a sunny park. Doesn't it look delightful?
Okay, so you can see it is a low resolution image this time, but we can tell it to create high resolution images also, and it is also telling about what it did. Okay, so this is the function calling update for the real-time chat bot which is available in Aimogen. You can see many more features here, many more available details which you can use, and yeah, basically give them a try. Aimogen is linked in this video description, you will find it there. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these updates. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Bye bye.